everyone. Welcome to Scratch Coding Ninja. Hello everyone. So today's lesson is going to be about scrolling, like a scrolling background. So let's jump into this lesson. I'll show you what it is after we finish it. So, I'm just going to show it now. So what a scrolling background is that I'm going to load a scrolling background thing I made on earlier. So this is what a scrolling background is. So what we could do is that we can make this cat look like it's running in one place. So that's what we're interested in making today. So first thing I want you to do is you first, of course, get the when green flag clicked. Then I want you to create four variables. You can name you should name them something like this: x position, y position, x position 2. If I could just delete this, x position 2, and y position 2. Oh, and we are also supposed to make another sprite. This sprite is gonna act as our background. This is gonna be as our background, and we're gonna make another one. Wait a sec. Gonna make another one, which this time is going to be a green grass background. Should be good enough. So instead of having this, I want you to make a hill. So in order to make a hill, you click on this reshape icon. You click on a point, and you change it however you want it. You can make it pointed or curved. Hills. I mean, I've always seen hills that are curved. I've never seen a pointy hill, so yeah. Be good enough. So the pen tool that I just used now is it's a bit hard to learn, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty useful. Now that we've made our green grass, we want to go back to the code. When green flags click, we want to set our two variables to 0, 0, x position and y position to not change x position and y position to 0, 0, and you go to motion, go to x position, y position. So as you can see, the position of this hill is going to be 0, 0, as you can see here. Now in order to make it look like it's moving, we need to get a forever block. Change x position by -1 or -5, I mean. And then again, we're gonna need to say go to X position, Y position. This is going to happen forever. And now what we want to do is that let's say it reached the end, which is going to be negative 480x. So after it reaches negative 480x, we want this to teleport to the right side, and it'll go like forever. So when we do that, we need an if statement. If x position equals 480, then set x position to negative 480. Set x position to 480. I hope that you're not getting confused. And then again, go to X position, Y position. Now, as you can see, the whole thing is scrolling. So that's not a big problem. I mean, maybe if we can edit this. We can make this the grass the exact same size as the background. So extend it just here. Should be good enough. Alright, so that should be better. Hopefully. So as you can see, our backdrop is scrolling. We might need to do a bit of changes. Well, everything is pretty well done, I think. Yeah, should be good enough. Well, I might need to be doing a bit of editing with the blue screen. Also, I recommend that both of them should be at the exact same size, especially on the width. So yeah, I'm just gonna meet you up once I edited it. Alright, so as you can see, I've edited everything. Hopefully it should be well. Now when this reaches there, it is gonna teleport back. Well, we have one last problem. And that is that we have this white space. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate it. Right click it, duplicate it. And we're gonna change everything to X position X position 2 and Y position 2. X position 2, Y position 2. X position 2. Alright, so as you can see, we have everything done except that. Wait, what? What is that? We have everything done except that that we need to set the X position to 480, because if we don't do anything about it, then it's not gonna it's everything's gonna look like one of them is gonna be in the top of the other, and we don't want that. We want it to look smooth. So we have to set this X position to 480 at first. That means this is gonna be on the very edge when the other sprite duplicate of it, the original one, is on the center. So it's good. Then it's gonna look smoothly. So now I'll show you what I mean. Okay, yeah, this sounds good, but you can see that this is not smooth. I mean, you can edit it later, but there is another thing. Let's just you can see this line. So we need to expand one of them. And it turns out that it's Sprite 2 because, I mean, we have to expand both of them. Try expanding them as much as you can. Okay, but this time it's a bit weird because in this scenario it just became better after shrinking the background. Well, hopefully that should do the job. Not perfect, but oh no, that's not good. So we can easily group this, and then we can change everything together. So yeah. Oh, group. Uh, okay. All right. I tried doing this as the best as I can, but it was not the best. But hopefully now you understand how you can scroll it, and you can probably mess with this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and the final touches we need to do. The last thing we want to do is first we want to make the last touches we want to do is we click when green flags click, go to X0 Y0. We want this to go to the front layer, otherwise we won't be able to see it. Go to front layer and forever next costume. The next costume, not yeah. Now, as you can see, this cat is looking like it's running, except that it's a bit too fast for that speed. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.